Huawei has officially teased their new Pura X View, and it's one of the most unusual smartphones we've seen this year. Instead of using the tall and narrow displays found on most flagships, Huawei is bringing the widescreen concept from its Pura X foldables to a traditional slab phone. In terms of specs, the Pura X View features a 6.39-inch display with a unique 16 by 9.5 aspect ratio, giving users around 16% more screen area for videos and about 21% more width when browsing in portrait mode. Huawei says the phone achieves a massive 96.1% screen to body ratio thanks to incredibly slim and uniform 1.05mm bezels on all sides. Now, despite its wider design, the device remains impressively thin at just 6.68mm and weighs only 201 grams. I forgot to mention that the display has an incredible 6500 nits peak brightness. Under the hood, the Pura X View is powered by Huawei's new Kirin 9030S chipset paired with 12 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigs, 512 gigabytes, all the way up to 1 terabyte. Now, keeping everything running is a huge 7000 mAh battery, and the phone ships with HarmonyOS 7 out of the box. Huawei has already opened pre-orders on Vmall and JD.com, with the official retail launch in China scheduled for August 28, 2026. So these are currently the leaked details of the Pura X View. The Pura X View is definitely an unusual smartphone with one of the most interesting smartphone designs of the year, offering a fresh alternative to standard smartphone form factor while packing flagship level hardware. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. I'll be on the lookout to see if I could get more details about the device, especially its price, because that's the most important thing here. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.